this is Nelson. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Oh my gosh, my dad's loud music. Just take a moment. This is why I don't record, but anyways, today I am doing a get ready with me everyday makeup look, and this was requested by one of my subscribers. You know who you are, girl. Thank you so much for requesting this video. And yeah, if you guys would like to leave video requests, you can leave it down below in the comments, and I'll love to try my best to film those videos for you guys. But yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this natural makeup everyday look, then keep on watching. Hi guys, so first I use this, which is the e.l.f. poreless primer, and basically I just prime my face with it. Just take a little dab of it and basically dab. Put it all over the face. Sorry guys if I'm like looking the other way, I'm just looking at my mirror. Next I do foundation, and I'm currently using this Real Technique sponge, which I love. I have been using this for a long time actually, and the Maybelline Fit Me. So just dot it onto the face. I got it on my lips. Bring it down the neck. I always use like the same products. I don't know. I just always do. But anyways, you guys already saw me probably use these products so many times already. But yeah. I'm using the Tartelette and Bloom palette. And this palette actually is amazing. It has like beautiful colors and everything. I don't know if you guys know by now, but the colors are too dark for. They're so pretty. But I'm currently going to be using this shade right here. It is going to be for my eyebrows, and it's called Activist. And I just kind of like fill them in, like just kind of go over my natural brows. Now to conceal my eyebrows, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I can't talk today, you guys. And I just use a brush, basically outline my brows or conceal my brows. And I'm not no makeup artist, you guys, so don't judge. Don't judge the way I do my makeup. I'm just doing what works for me.
And I'm just going to slowly blend this in. After you conceal it, I'm going to blend this in, blend out, blend the concealer.
We're gonna do the eyeshadow part, and I like to keep it very simple for every day. First of all, I'm gonna put the Maybelline concealer that I used earlier for my brows. I'm just gonna like use it as an eyeshadow base for my eyes. So I just blend it out. I need some music, like some poppin' music, but you guys know you're gonna get copyrighted if you have some music playing during your tutorial and everything. So I'm trying to get copyrighted, you guys. And we're just gonna blend it. Next we're gonna use this, which is the ColourPop cream eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Lala. I'm gonna take that. I'm just gonna basically swirl it on my hand. If you guys have not tried ColourPop, please try it out. These are really beautiful. These are like one of their older products though. I believe now they have eyeshadow palettes. I haven't tried those yet, but I do really love these. So I'm just gonna basically put it over my lids. Back to the eyes, I'm gonna go on to bronzing my face first. My bronzer, I am currently using this Hoola Benefit, and I've been using it for a long time now actually. But you guys can see I like totally hit pan on it. It's crazy. I'll just take it about like an angle and contour. I'm gonna be using my favorite blush of all time. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon. Yeah, I'll just take it on a brush and just dab it onto the cheeks. See you guys, this is the side with no blush, and this is the side with blush. You guys can tell it adds a little sheen of cuteness. The cheeks done. I'm gonna go back to the eyes. So I'm gonna go back into this Tarte palette, and I'm just gonna use that shade right there. It is called Rebel, and I'm just gonna place that under my under eye. So we are going to be using this NYX Epic ink liner, and I've been using it to do my eyeliner. And I suck at doing eyeliner, you guys, so yeah. And then we're gonna take the Essence Long Lasting Eyeliner, and I'm just gonna basically like use this for my waterline. With the Hoola Benefit bronzer to contour the nose. Now we're gonna go ahead and use the Stay Matte powder, and I'm using that to basically highlight the nose a little bit, give it some dimension, and blend it in. I'm gonna use my mascara. I'm taking the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural, and I'm taking the Melted Matte liquid lipstick Too Faced in the shade Cool Girl. I'm gonna be using this eyelash. It is the Daily times Elf collaboration. And yeah, these lashes are really fluffy and they're very natural.
The lashes on my eyes.
Lastly, I am using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. And we're gonna shake that. Just pat it on. Ooh.